So, what we got here, Ray? We're working on this. It's a Baxi boiler. Power's on. That's on. But there's no power there. So that's no power on that at all. So it's dead, completely dead. Yeah. So we're going to check that out and see what's going on with it here.
Okay, right, this is where I get. Yeah, that's fine. This thing not live. It's power from the. That's it.
Well done.
That's fine, 260, yeah. That's 2 goes out 230. That's fine, mate.
So guys, there was a leak above this boiler from the bathroom and the water got through into the boiler. That was blowing the fuse. So we changed the fuse, dried it all out, it's working fine now. So if your boiler is broken down in central and south Birmingham, give us a call. Done again.